Hi, this is Joshua with Impress Computers. Today we're going to go over hard drives that we have located here at our shop. Gotta ask you a question, everyone. Are y'all still using conventional hard drives? If y'all are still using the old hard drives, we do have new technology out there. It's called solid state. It actually, instead of using a regular drive inside that's running a platter, it's just a solid chip in there. It's able to actually load about 5 to 10 times faster whenever you're running the OS. It's a really good upgrade for anybody in the office, and they're trying to get more work done. You're getting tired of it running slower and slower. Upgrade to the solid state, you'll see a huge difference. The other thing that we want to talk to you about is backups. Is everyone getting a backup? We always say if you have important data, you want to at least have it in 2 or 3 spots elsewhere, like including like QuickBooks files, anything like that. You want to keep that safe. You want to have a backup drive. We do have those available here. We also have NAS drives, which are Buffalo drives that actually you hook up to the network. Everyone can see it. You can share, information and everything with everyone in the office. It's pretty nice to use. It also you can set it up to back up everything as well. So, you might want to look into that and see what's going on, with your actual office or at your home. If you want to upgrade your machine or upgrade the speed, go ahead and go with the solid state drive. It's a really good upgrade, trust me on that one. So if you have any questions or anything that implies this stuff, give us a call at Impress at 281-647-9977. Thank you.